Hello friends. Well, I've reached Trevenant's Cove, day 3, and I didn't fall over today, which was good, although my tent did last night. I woke up at 1 o'clock to find it all collapsed on top of me, but I double pegged it and it worked okay after that. So tonight I've got a different plan because it's still incredibly windy, and so I'm not going to put the tent up at all. My plan for tonight is to stay in one of these disused beach huts. There's no door on it, so I'm just going to set up my mattress in there, and hey presto,